Damn, son, what you fighting them from? It's another one, Move Red Production.
I'm the producer.
To prove me right, I can make it back. What you talking about? Damn, son. Q50 pull up, big, had her looking silly. Shit, it committed, shit you did to me. Wipe her cry for what? Treat her right for what? Salt and pepper in a can, fuck up a different nigga, bitch, just a fall. Lock her behind the wall. Long night out that window, like treat her right for what? Heartless, dirty Sprite, whole bubble, double choke, whole bowl, whole ice cream, just to ease my night. Oh, ain't a whole hot cold. Put a P.I. in the rain. I can't lie, it's my fault, cause I'm walking in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Q50 pull up, bitch, had her looking silly. Shit, it committed, shit you did to me. Wipe her cross for what? Treat her right for what? Wipe her cross for what? Treat her right for what? Damn, son, what you find them from? It's another one.
Hey, turn that shit up, Mo. Really?
Hey, CP. It hit different when you tryna make it out them trenches. It hit different when you gotta get up and go get it. It hit different when you tryna get up out the city. It hit different when his eyes kinda smacking on your kitty. It hit different. Started then I'ma finish. Had to get in my bag and got the fuck up out my feelings. I'm reminiscing, chosen one like a ticket. I done been in situations, hard times, yeah, it got sticky. Hey, trials and tribulations, I done been in situations. I'm just trying to make it, thinking God, He is the greatest. I'm patiently waiting, I'm not used to all these faces. Going through all these phases, trying to see why am I hated. It hit different when you trying to make it out them trenches. It hit different when you gotta get up and go get it. It hit different when you trying to get up out the city. It hit different when it's all it kinda smacking on your kitty. It hit different when you trying to make it out them trenches. It hit different when you gotta get up and go get it. It hit different when you trying to go and get up out the city. It hit different when it's all it kinda smacking on your kidney. Hey.
Q50 pull up, big, had her looking silly. Shit, it committed, shit you did to me. Wipe her cry for what? Treat her right for what? Salt and pepper in a can, fuck up a different nigga, bitch, just a fall. Lock behind the wall. Long night out that window, like treat her right for what? Heartless, dirty Sprite, whole bubble, double choke, whole bowl, whole ice cream, just to ease my night.